बेसुमार अथाह अगनत अतुल्य, ज्यों बुलावो त्यों नानक दास बोलै। वाहिगुरु जी का खालसा, वाहिगुरु जी की फतेह। My honorable Sikh siblings and respectable listeners, today I will try to do discussion with you about the two lines which composed by 5th Guru Arjan Dev Ji about the limitless and endless of God. Guruji says that Nirmal Nirmal Sucha Sucho Sucha Sucho Sucha Antna Anta Sada Beanta Kahu Nanak Ucha Ucha. Guruji says that God is the mostly immaculate of immaculate and the purest of pure. Sucha Sucho Sucha, so pure, so pure. We say that we cannot we cannot do explanation the purification of God. We cannot describe about the purification of God. Antna Anta Sada Beanta Kaho Nanak Ucha Ucha. Guru says that God is totally limitless and totally endless. We cannot describe the totally as well as all virtues of God. My Sikh siblings, we already read every day in the evening prayer, Tu Par Brahm Beyant Beyant Ji Tere Kya Gun Aakh Bakhana. Guruji says that, oh my God, you are totally limitless, infinite and endless. What virtues of yours can I describe, can I explain? But my Sikh siblings, Guruji says that we cannot totally know the limitation of God, but we can only enjoy through the recitation of God's name. When I was studying of Gurbani in the University of Damtami Taksal, there was, I read a book written by Anath Kavi, namely Vichar Mala. He gives a powerful example about the endless of God. He says that Challi Putri Lon ki Sindh Thai ko lैन Anath aap ape pei palt kahe ko bain. He says that a big piece of salt, it became ready to know the end of sea water. He says that when it goes into the water of ocean, furthermore it itself melted into the water, and it was not be able to describe the depth of water of ocean. Similarly, he says that if a meditator wants to know the depth of God, when he starts the meditation on the name of God, he himself engrossed into the name of God. And he became not be able to describe the all virtues of God. Similarly, Guru Arjan Dev Ji says that in Gurbani, Jyoti Jyot Rali Sampurn Thiya Ram. The devotee of God, when he starts the recitation of God, he himself, herself, engrossed into the name of God, and his thinking, his wisdom not become able to describe the name, to describe the virtues of God. So, my six siblings, there is a biggest example in the Akal Ustat volume of Guru Gobind Singh Ji. Akal Ustat volume is the second volume of Sri Dasam Granth. Guru Gobind Singh Ji gives a example of a word, Anal and Manal. There is a couple of Anal and Manal words, female and male. Guruji says that नभ के उड़े ते जो पे नारायण पायत, अनल आकाश पंछी ढोल वो करता है. Guruji says that anal word flies in the sky every time. Every time. It is said, according to the Encyclopedia of Sikh Literature, Bhai Khan Singh Nabha, the writer of it, he says that Anal word lays eggs in the sky, and these eggs start flying in the sky as babies. So according to myself, Anal and Manal both words live in the sky, fly in the sky, and both live above the gravitation of earth in the sky. But my honorable six siblings, both words has not power, they are not able to know the breadth, the height, as well as the length of sky. They cannot describe totally about the breadth, height, and length of sky. Similarly, Gurbani says to us, O my six siblings, we become able to do the enjoyment with God's name through the recitation, through the reading, through the listening, through the chanting of God's name. But we cannot become able to know the all virtues of God. So these kind of thoughts I tried to tell you, O my all six siblings and honorable listeners. I know I have done many mistakes during this lecture. Please pardon me. Lastly, you speak out with loudly voice, Vaheguru Ji Ka Khalsa, Vaheguru Ji Ki Fateh.